Dealing with Wi-Fi issues on a Windows 10 computer can be incredibly frustrating. Omaha Computing Solutions offers some tips to bring back your Wi-Fi. Imagine trying to stream your favorite show or finish an important work project, only to be plagued by slow connections or constant drops. But fear not, there is hope. When it comes to fixing these woes, there are a few key troubleshooting steps that can help you get your Wi-Fi up and running smoothly again. First, ensure that your Wi-Fi is turned on by checking the physical switch on your device or using the keyboard shortcut if available. If it's on and still not working, move on to the next step. A common quick fix is to restart your computer. It may sound simple, but sometimes a reboot can solve many connectivity issues by refreshing the system and clearing any temporary glitches that may be causing the problem. It's like a fresh start for your computer's connection to the Wi-Fi network. If a restart doesn't do the trick, you can try forgetting the Wi-Fi network and reconnecting. This can help in cases where there might be some incorrect settings or conflicts causing the connection to fail. Simply go to your Wi-Fi settings, find the network in question, and choose the option to forget it. Then reconnect by entering the password again and see if that resolves the problem. Another step you can take is to update your network adapter drivers. These drivers are what allow your computer to communicate with the Wi-Fi network, so having outdated or faulty ones can definitely cause issues. You can update them manually through the device manager in your system settings, or use software tools that can automatically scan and update drivers for you. If updating the drivers doesn't help, you can also try troubleshooting the network connection using the built-in Windows Network Diagnostics tool. This tool can detect and fix common connectivity issues with just a few clicks, making it a handy resource for troubleshooting Wi-Fi problems. In more advanced cases, you may need to delve into the settings of your router or modem to check for any configuration issues. Make sure that your network settings match the requirements of your Wi-Fi network, such as the correct security type, WPA2, WEP, etc., and password. You can also try power cycling your router by unplugging it, waiting a few seconds, and plugging it back in to see if that resolves the problem. For persistent or more complex Wi-Fi issues, you may want to consider contacting your internet service provider for assistance. They can help diagnose any network-related problems on their end, or provide additional troubleshooting steps to get your connection back on track. In conclusion, dealing with Wi-Fi issues on a Windows 10 computer can be a frustrating experience. But with the right troubleshooting steps, you can often resolve these issues and get back to enjoying a stable and reliable internet connection. Remember to start with simple solutions like restarting your computer and reconnecting to the network, then move on to more advanced steps if needed. By being proactive and patient, you can tackle Wi-Fi issues like a pro and stay connected with ease. If you get stuck at any point, remember to contact Omaha Computing Solutions. We will get your Wi-Fi back on track quickly.